Welcome to Quick Learning. Today we are going to learn how to use MD11 transaction code that is used to create different type of plan orders. We will start by writing MD11 in our transaction tab. We will press enter and this window will appear. The first option shows the plan order profile. We have to select the plan order profile as per our need, that what type of plan order we are going to create. These are the options that are available in front of you: standard purchase orders, individual customer orders, stock orders, the project orders, purchase, etc. For right now we are going to select stock order because we want to create some plan order that will be used for some production line or some production plan. The option shown below is plan order reference plan order. If want to create a plan order with reference to someone or like similar to some other plan order, we can just enter that plan order here and it will help us to create a similar copy of that original plan order. So by pressing enter, you will enter into the main window. It is asking us few things. First of all is the material. What is the material of the product? I know it is the 104300. I have selected it. And what is the planning plant? I have selected the planning plant as per my requirement. The next is the order quantity. For example, my order quantity is 1000. Okay, I will press enter just for once. What it wants next, it wants end date from me. I will select from this, you can see calendar, what is the end date. So right now I can select, you can see for example this date as my end date. Yes, and what is the start date? I will select the start date as something previous to that date, that is 3rd Feb 2022. I will press enter once again and it will automatically get the other data as well. So it has selected the production plant, the storage location, the production version. I can, and can enter the production version separately as well, but for now I will enter this production version. This is the header tab. In next tab you can see it's a finished good. MRP controller is 010. And the next one is the master data. So what master data is showing, that it is that there are no particular MRP parameters defined for that. I will go back again to the header section. You can see here I have entered the material code, the planning plant, the order quantity, etc. So the next step is, if I want to see what are the components inside this plan order, I will go to this, press this button, components list. That is, first of all we will check this. So these are the components list that has been created automatically. It is showing that for this particular product, this material code 104300, I need these components and these are the quantities that I need for these components. I can just edit these quantities as well, but these are the quantities that system has calculated based upon BOM or bill of materials. So you can see these are the first item, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So 8 items are included in this one particular material code. So when these quantities will be used and consumed in SAP and in physically, then this product with 1000 quantity will be produced. Okay, so I can change any of that. For example, I entered 800 here. I will press enter and I will see what it's saying. So it is allowing me that. So it means that I can change any one of these and I can just save it. So I will go back and we will see what is in the next tab. So this is the print components list. In this tab you will see you do not have the editable option, but these quantities are those that are required for 1000 physical cases. So these are not editable, but these are the fixed calculated based upon the BOM. Okay, so these are the for example, and next we want to see the bill of materials. These are the bill of materials that are particular for this specific plan order. I will go back again. You can see the start date, finish date, all that all is that here. Component ATP, what we will see inside it, we have just clicked it, and you can see these are the missing parts. When nothing is missing in these all are available in our system. So it is showing that this is the order, then these are the materials inside that particular finished good material. So you can see that this is the option. I just will have to press save, and this plan order will be created automatically in the system. So this is a very easy process to create any plan order by using MD11 transaction code, and you can just create any plan order as per your need. So it will save data. I will press yes, then my plan order will be saved. So this is for MD11. There is another very interesting thing that I want to show you. For example, if I want to change any plan order, for example, I will select any random plan order here. Yeah, this one I have selected, this plan order maybe, or this one. Yeah, this one. I will copy it, and if I want to change any plan order, we can use MD12 transaction code. So you saw that for creation of plan order we used MD11, and for change of any plan order we have to use MD12 transaction code. So in MD12 transaction code we will just write that plan order number, we will enter its details, and it will be visible for us. So I hope this session has been very useful for all of you. For any question related to creation of plan orders or planning module or material management, you can just write in the comment section. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.